What is up, guys? This is Max Square, and today we're taking a look at how I make my intros. So this is probably going to be a pretty quick video, but I know a lot of you guys have been asking over the years how I make my intros. And I kind of have to come clean about something because I do use templates to make my intros. I discussed this on my live stream just a week or two ago, that while I am kind of experienced with After Effects, I'm not good enough to actually produce a full intro that I would actually be happy with. Believe me, I have spent hours and hours trying to produce something cool, and I just never liked what I came up with. So I came to the realization that in order to get really good at After Effects, I would just have to spend a lot of time learning it. And while I never mind putting in the effort and time to learn something, I could put that same effort and time into making a ton of more videos for you guys. So I had to prioritize what I was good at, which was making videos, over learning something completely new like After Effects. So yes, I do use templates, and I know that may make some of you guys cringe and maybe a little bit disappointed, but I hope you guys keep watching because I want to show you where I actually get my templates from. So for the last 3 years, the intros that I use have been templates from Envato marketplaces, specifically VideoHive.net and AudioJungle.net. So VideoHive is kind of their stock footage and After Effects templates marketplace, and AudioHive has tons of sound effects and background tracks. So about 3 years ago, I used Spirit of Shapes. This is one you guys will definitely recognize. It has a couple of variations, the circles, the triangles, and the one you guys recognize, which is the squares. What was cool about this template is it actually included that stock footage when you downloaded it, so you didn't have to buy it separately. You didn't have to get the sound effects separately, but that came in a pack of 4, which was only $2. So for $2 for sound effects and $17 for that template, I got an entire intro for $20. And so I believe this was the year of 2015, and this is still one of my favorite intros to date. For 2016 and 2017, I actually used the same template. This is 5 geometric logo reveals, and this has 5 different variations. It kind of has this hexagon, this one has the circle, and the third one I believe has a square. Then you have triangles, trapezoid, all those awesome things. So I actually reused the intro for 2016 and 2017. Now for 2016, I used this soundtrack from Alcus, I believe. This actually came with a pack of 4 or 5 different tracks, which was awesome. That was $15, and then for 2017, I used this minimal ambient logo, which was only $8. And then most recently, I just updated the Max Square channel video that I just released about a week ago, and I used this rhythmic opener template. That was $22, and the track that came with it was $19. So these two templates were a little bit more expensive, but it was for a full minute-long opener rather than just a 5 or 10-second clip. Now I realize some of you out there are actually really talented with After Effects and working with animations, so you may not need these kind of templates, but for you guys I would still recommend checking out AudioJungle since they have some awesome sound effects and background music, because that can really make or break your animation. So even if you are really used to using After Effects, you can still check out AudioJungle. So as you can tell, I really enjoy using Envato Marketplace resources, and if you don't already know, I just became a partner of Envato just a couple of weeks ago, but I actually was using this for years and years before I even heard about partnerships or was even contacted by Envato. So while this video actually isn't sponsored, if you click the links in the description to all of these project files and you purchase it from that link, I'll actually get a cut from Envato. That doesn't come out of your pocket, it doesn't charge you any more, but I do get some small compensation just because you clicked on the link. But if you want to learn a little bit more about the whole partnership, definitely check out my live stream, and I explain it a lot more in depth. You can click that little call out at the top right. Anyway guys, that is it for this video. I hope that kind of pulled back the curtain on how I make my intros and outros. Thank you so much for watching. Again, be sure to check out the links down in the description, and I will see you in the next one.